Hi Achievers, welcome to A Plus Russian. Today we are learning how to say "You're putting on socks." Вы надеваете носки. Be sure to watch to the end for a bonus tip. Socks are a necessity, but can also be a fashion statement. Do you own a pair like that? Let me know in the comments below. When we need to say "you are putting on," in Russian it sounds like "вы надеваете," where "вы" is you and надеваете is are putting on. And altogether it's вы надеваете. Keep in mind that in Russian we change the form of the verb depending on the subject. Let's spell the word вы. The first sound is v and then goes y. And altogether it's вы. Вы. Let's spell the word надеваете. The first sound is n, then goes a, d, e, then we have v, a, e, t, and e at the end. And altogether it's надеваете. Надеваете. Try saying it with me. Надеваете. And the last new word for today is носки. Носки. Носки is socks in Russian. Носки. When we are talking about one sock, we say носок. When we are talking about two or more socks, we say носки. Let's spell the word носки. The first sound is n, then we have letter o, which is unstressed and is pronounced as a, then goes s, k, and e at the end. And altogether it's носки. Носки. Try saying it with me. Носки. Now let's play a memory game. Each word is repeated twice. I'm going to read the words and then cover them up. Try to remember where the words are and say them out loud with me. Are you ready, Achievers? Let's go. Носки is socks. Вы is you. Надеваете is are putting on. Носки. Носки. Вы. Вы. Надеваете. Надеваете. Носки. Do you know where the other носки is? Excellent. Вы. Do you remember where the other вы is? Well done. Надеваете. Надеваете. Well done, Achievers! Now you know how to say "you're putting on socks" in Russian. Вы надеваете носки, where вы is you, надеваете is are putting on, and носки is socks. And here is your bonus tip. In Russian, we can express the size of an object by changing the ending. For really small socks, we would say носочки, with masculine носочек being the singular form. To learn adjectives for small and big, click right up here. And I'll see you in another video, Achievers.